When seeking computer help, avoid these common mistakes. Don't skip researching the reputation of the repair service. Read online reviews and ask friends and family for recommendations. Don't choose a service based solely on price. Consider the quality and expertise offered. Always inquire about the technician's qualifications and experience. Ensure you ask about warranties and turnaround times for repairs. Here are some frequently asked questions about Fort Myers Beach Computer Help. What types of computer issues do they specialize in? They handle hardware and software issues, virus removal, and data recovery. Do they offer on-site repair services? Yes, both on-site and remote services are available. How long does a typical repair take? It varies, but they aim for quick completion. What are their rates? Rates depend on the service type, but they offer competitive pricing. Do they provide warranties on repairs? Yes, warranties are offered to ensure customer satisfaction. For more information or to schedule a repair, call 239-387-1900 or visit FortMyersBeachComputerHelp.com.